Prince?
Cow.
What?
Cow.
Snuggled up like a warm cloud in human arms. 10 out of 10 would nap again.
Come on in. Come on, come play. Welcome. Welcome. Are you coming or not?
Do you not see me in the midst of preparing your dinner? You can chill now.
That you don't do it. Please. Don't pull that. No. Walter. I said no. Walter.
2 tiny tigers rehearsing for WrestleMania. Except here, the prize is the warmest belly spot.
Let's go.
Well, you did that more gracefully than you did the first half.
Jack, super quiet. It's quiet time now. You have to be quiet. You notice?
He knows it's coming. You want me to kiss you? You're so funny. Can I kiss you, please? No? Got you.
Hello. This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
No. 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 What?
Okay. Okay.
She's like, why are you in my house? Sorry. Okay. Okay.
Can you hold on?
No.
You can't go outside. Stop. Are you done?
No ice, Russ. Sorry, buddy.
Riley.
When Mum tells me to get rid of my childhood toy,
No.
Bro really said, right back. Is that mockery I hear?
I'm gonna show your mom. I'm gonna show mama. Yeah, I'm gonna show mama. Mama's here. I'm gonna show her. I'm gonna show mama. You're being bad.
Are you stuck?
Hey.
Joey.
It's not real.
Doggo screaming, if you can see it, it's real.
I say, Wilson, no. Don't chase that other dog. You don't chase him. If I say, give me paw and you're going to be the best boy.
Raggy! Stop!
He's horny. Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Sometimes. Oh.
We love bath songs.
What are you doing? I'm still mad at you. Get out!
When are you going to help me out with the chores? I've got to do laundry. Look at this. Look at this. And then I have to cook. And then I have to clean. And I have to go to work tomorrow. And all you do is sleep all day.
Hi.
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Coco, where are you?
Give me 10. Give me 15. Give me 20.
Go on, ma'am.
Софочка, скажи а-а-а.
Jacqueline, why are you in the dustpan? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. I get it.
You're the stinky boy. And you're the fat girl.
Bro, why do you hate me so bad?
You guess.
Like, it's never that serious, homie.
You ask too much.
Like, what the absolute...
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh!
Are you so cute? Yes, you are.
Say yeah!
What's going on in here? What are you doing? No! No! You're too young!
What?
You sleepy?